my family, my locality, my village and any workplace. I believe that the countries of the world that appear clean are so because their citizens don't indulge in littering, nor do they allow it to happen.
Gandhi in his Hind Swaraj has rightly pointed that my nation and democracy is that in which weakest of the weak must have the same chance as the strongest of the strong. His newspapers, Navajivan, Young India, Harijan, and his first newspaper, Indian Opinion in Africa, full of ideas. On 9th August 1942, Gandhiji wrote in Young India, I quote, "Now is the time of acid test for the newspapers. They should not be the blind followers of our Indian national movement, national party, but they should critically examine every step of Congress in those days." Gandhi was very much open, fearless, and also very much creative in his ideas. Gandhi wrote to the newspaper editors in those days, give the people what they want, but give them something more than that. Gandhi's educational philosophy, Nayi Talim, is a matter of prime focus of our university. And Honorable Sir, I would like to inform